Hey G Squad, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made these nice crispy Fiesta Egg Rolls, okay? So if you're interested in seeing how I made this, then just keep watching. Alright G Squad, so I have everything laid out on the counter to make our Fiesta roll. I'm going to run through them really quickly, and then I'm also going to insert what I'm using as we go along throughout the video. Okay, so starting with our rolls, I'm going to be using the vegan egg roll wraps. Then I have some corn. This is about a quarter cup of corn, a quarter cup of black beans. I have my rainbow peppers in here. I have some mushrooms that I cut up into bite-sized pieces. I have some fresh spinach. You can also feel free to use frozen spinach. Just make sure you squeeze the excess water out. In this bowl I have one chicken breast that I cut up into really tiny bite-sized pieces. I have some Mexican, Monterey Jack cheese that I'm going to use in this. Actually, I'm going to change this. I have a Mexican blend cheese I'm going to use instead. My seasonings, I have cumin, pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to use my Tony's Creole, black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder. I have some cilantro leaves. You can use fresh cilantro if you like. Smoked paprika. I have some extra virgin olive oil to cook my meat in. And then I have some Crisco oil to fry our egg rolls in. And then I have one scrambled egg here that's going to serve as my egg wash for my egg roll wraps, okay? So now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this video. We're going to start off with seasoning our chicken. Alright, G Squad, so our Fiesta rolls are done. Look at them, how pretty they are. Nice and crisp. Okay, so I'm going to cut into one. Okay, here we are. Get a crisp one there. Whew, hot, hot. Hot. That's how it looks on the inside. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, it's hot. And that's how it looks. Right? So let me straighten this out and then we'll wrap up this video. Alright, G Squad, so that concludes our video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!